What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to be talking here the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, I was surprised that this thing got used last week because ever since the machine just been sitting in storage probably since like last year exactly, because you can see how much they expected this thing exactly. But although it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but you can see, look how the blades is actually still sharp. I understand exactly, and this is why we get these all cleaned up. Because I do like this thing a lot, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. But it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion. There's nothing wrong with this machine here exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing. It's got this chain thing on it, the chain on it, which it's definitely what it is. I mean, we used to cut grass, which I don't recommend doing this, but it does the job though. Exactly, because, well, because here's one thing. One thing actually really something like this a little bit, because you can tell. I mean, this thing got used almost quite a bit since last week. Ever since this thing's been used almost quite a bit, because you've seen how much I expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit of times, but you can tell this thing can get used. So I hope this thing will get used again this weekend. I'm hoping this both get used this weekend, because we did get this thing back in time, and then ever since time a little bit, because you can see how much I expected this thing. But it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but I do kind of like this machine a lot, because you can see how much I expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit, because it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but I mean, because look at this machine, it looks pretty cool in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot, and even though this machine's been used almost quite a bit, because you can see how much I expected this thing exactly, because it's whatever you can see, but it's what you can see how much I really expected this machine here exactly, because well, because you can see how much is fed on this machine here exactly. So I do hope some part of this thing will get used this weekend again, if it have time a little bit, because you can see. But this is a pretty nice looking machine.